The anticipated release of the five-door 2025 Suzuki Jimny Sierra is set for late 2024 or early 2025, and despite its unavailability for purchase at the moment, there has already been widespread speculation and discussion about its design and specifications. What is currently known is that the upcoming 2025 Suzuki Jimny Sierra, intended to replace the existing three-door model, is poised to offer a more spacious and functional interior. With an expected increase in wheelbase, the new model is likely to provide additional passenger and cargo space. Additionally, it is rumored to adopt a hybrid powertrain, enhancing both efficiency and power. The forthcoming five-door 2025 Suzuki Jimny Sierra is predicted to incorporate several noteworthy features. The 2025 Suzuki Jimny Sierra, set to be priced around $20,000, boasts an electric hybrid powertrain featuring a 1.5-liter turbocharged gasoline engine. It adopts an extended wheelbase body type with 5 doors, providing a more spacious and improved interior. Modern safety and security elements, such as blind spot monitoring and lane departure warning systems, enhance its overall appeal. The customizable aesthetic package, inspired by the G-Class, adds a touch of individuality, ideal for those seeking excitement and passionate about off-roading. The five-door 2025 Suzuki Jimny Sierra maintains its renowned boxy throwback style from the previous version while showcasing a larger and more contemporary design. The extended wheelbase ensures ample space for both passengers and cargo, making it a compelling choice for adventure enthusiasts. The exterior of the 2025 Jimny Sierra 5-door will feature a fresh grille, headlights, taillights, and updated bumpers. In terms of technical specifications, the upcoming hybrid powertrain will consist of a 1.5-liter turbocharged gasoline engine and an electric motor. The expected combined power output of around 150 horsepower is notably impressive compared to the current model. The 2025 Jimny Sierra 5-door will come equipped with standard amenities such as heated seats, a sunroof, and a touchscreen infotainment system. Additionally, it will include various safety systems like lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking as standard features.